What's up, guys? I know it's been a while. Haven't made any videos lately because I haven't been working on the cars too much because of my messed up ankle. Still messed up. But guess what came in today? My Kpro. My Kpro for the Honda N600. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what it is. Here it is, Humble Performance. That's where I ordered it from. It only took almost 3 weeks only. It was pretty quick, actually. A lot of people kept telling me, well, kept reading that it's gonna take a while because it's so good. Let's see what's in the bag. Honda, nice. Put that on one of the parts. Now this is what we're looking for. Kpro V4. Why is it opened already? Yeah, I guess it was already open. I don't know. Let's see if my ECU's in here. Yep, there it is. Oh, comes with slip-in. Comes with that cable. Some nice decals. Humble Performance. Thank you guys again. My ECU that was sent out. It's an automatic, guys. Automatic. If you didn't know, you can Kpro automatic ECUs now. For the Kpro V4, you can do it, and only thing you need to do is run this red wire right here. That one. That's going to be your input for your speed, and you're going to run that to get your speed. It's cool. They gave 2 of these because there's 2 connections. One's for like boost or something. Honda sticker, decals, sweet, and an installation packet, paper, an installation paper. Pretty cool, guys. And everything was only, I bought this for 40 bucks. And the Kpro for $6.95. Pretty cool. All right, and that's it. Kpro, and what's next is the baby. The baby. She's coming next.